I welcome you in valediction of 1 week Atal FDP on artificial intelligence and machine learning using Python. I welcome Registrar of ECB Dr. Manoj Kuri sir and Chief Guest of the ceremony Sir M.A. Pathan and all participants. In this FDP, 14 technical sessions were held and 200 participants from various parts of India got training on the topic. On day one, first session was taken by Professor Devendra Kumar Tayal on NLP and its research, and in second session, a practical approach to ANN and deep networks was elaborated by Dr. Dushyant Singh of MNNIT Allahabad. Talk of second day started on unfolding LSTM networks by highly talented Professor Dr. Rajesh from MNIT Jaipur. Then machine learning on real-time stream application were explained in fourth technical session by Dr. Gaurav Kumar of Magma Research and Consultancy Private Limited, Ambala. Fifth session of FDP was taken by Dr. Vijender Singh Solanki of CMR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad on digital marketing. Then natural language toolkit was explained by Dr. Vishal Goyal of Punjab University in sixth technical session. Seventh technical session was on deep learning techniques for lung CT images and analysis by Dr. Sachinandan Mohanty of CT Pune. In eighth technical session, Dr. Mayank Agrawal explained security application by blockchains. Ninth technical session was of Dr. N.C. Iyengar sir on agents of AI. Then Ankur Dumka sir of Women Institute of Technology, Dehradun explained psychology of computer vision in foundation of AI in 10th technical session. Then 11th technical session was of Dr. C.N. Srimali of ECB on Indian approach of holistic development. And today's morning session, that is 12th technical session of FDP, was taken by Professor Nilanjan Day of JIS University, Kolkata on deep learning for computer-aided medical diagnosis. The 13th technical session was of Munesh Trivedi sir, and he gone through role of blockchains in cyber security. Final and 14th technical session of FDP was on ensemble machine learning for high performance outcome by Dr. Gaurav Kumar. So we tried to touch some aspect of AI and machine learning through this FDP, and we expect that participants have got whatever they expected from the FDP. Now I request any of the participants to give feedback on the FDP. I request any of the
Yeah.
participants to give feedback.
all the
Can I?
session were very informative and knowledgeable. So it is good.
Any other?
Madam, can I give?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Welcome.
Yes. In first place, congratulations to entire team for in this opportunity to listen to such eminent speakers. To start with, respected principal sir, Dr. Bhanu sir, followed by the workshop coordinator, Dr. Vishal Agor sir, who is constantly updating all the things on the WhatsApp group. That was really helpful. And of course, I could see the organizing secretary, Dr. Manoj Kuri sir, who is the department of ECE, followed by many organizing committee members who must have put a lot of efforts behind this. I'm sure conducting is one part, but before that, there are a lot of efforts which have been taken for writing this proposal and sending it, then sanctioning, and then a lot of things behind that. So thank you so much, Engineering College of Bikaner and entire team. I just would like to, I could not attend the few sessions of 24th because I myself had few sessions in some other FTP, so I could not attend few sessions on 24th. So I really missed that. But I want to mention here specifically my domain of interest is image processing, deep learning, and machine learning. And this was a perfect suited FDP for me. Few sessions which I like image processing related, where I should recollect it now. For example, Dr. Vijendra sir, who has talked about transforming the future of digital marketing, and also there were few approaches, practical approaches using deep learning by Dushyant sir, and also on NLP, because there are a lot of scopes nowadays in NLP. There were few toolkits which were clearly demonstrated by Vishal sir. And as I was talking about, CT scan images, CT images analysis using deep learning, which was very well explained by Dr. Sachi sir. Thank you to all experts who were the parties FDP, where they could spend their valuable time to make all of us learn about those specific topics. I would like to also know about blockchain and its application, which was delivered by Dr. Mang sir. He has clearly explained, and this is very expert, he's very much expertise knowledge in blockchain. And he has also mentioned that he is one of the speaker on SWAYAM. He has developed a course which has been selected by SWAYAM. We all know that is next to the NPTEL level, NPTEL, where we have only technical courses designed by IITs, but SWAYAM has given a platform designed by government which has technical, non-technical as well. So I think that we have another opportunity. Thank you, Mayank sir, to mentioning that you have a course, your design course selected on SWAYAM, which might be soon available, which we can also go through that particular course if anybody is interested on that. I think from that one should learn. I mean, that is what I would like to stress here, because that's a great achievement that Mayank sir has developed something which has been selected on SWAYAM. For example, this FDP we were talking about, funded by a government. So there were a lot of efforts being taken, right from proposal writing, designing, and then finally approval, and then for execution of this particular FDP. Similarly, I think I should, at least if I can talk about myself, should design such courses, and we should also try to get it sanctioned or SWAYAM platform. I think that will be a great achievement. So that particular encouragement or some ignition kind of thing I could get from this FDP, which I wanted to mention here explicitly. And over and above, there were other teachers too, other mentors too. I will call both teachers and mentors, because beside giving knowledge, they could all encourage at least me. I can mention at this point of time here. For example, the last session, because 24 session I not attend all, so it will be difficult for me to talk about those or give feedback on those. But specifically today, if we say the morning session, which was on medical images, and as I mentioned that it is medical diagnostic computer aided tool. Okay, that is my area, and I really it is useful for me, I'm sure. I'll be asking my students to work in this particular area. I'm also a professor and guide for PhD students as well. So a few things actually I have taken screenshots, and let me tell you, and I have forwarded to my PhD research scholars. There are 5 PhD research scholars who are working under me, and this I'm attending actually for them. For them in the sense, if I learn, of course, I'll be able to deliver this to my students as well. So few things which I saw here, a few screenshots I have taken of slides of these experts, and I've shared with my students so that they can also get benefited from this. So that was a point which I have positively taken, and which has been also useful for my students, I'm sure. And the last session where Gaurav sir had mentioned about deep learning and ensemble techniques, how the multiple combinations can actually, help to evaluate the performance of different methods and a possibility that one can think in terms of research. Thank you so much, Engineering College Bikaner, to giving all of us such a platform to learn the recent trends and the coding methodology. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your feedback. Definitely, the profiles of experts are really inspiring for all of us as academician. I request any other participant for feedback. Any other participant who can expand some word for us? Okay. Thank you, sir. Your words means a lot. Hello.
Yeah, hello ma'am. So hello everyone. Good evening everyone. This is Senthil Kumar from Chennai, Sai Ram Engineering College.
Yeah.
Yeah ma'am, actually it's been 5 days and it's wondering so how the 5 days went. So it was totally engaging and even the professors and the way they handled the session was really good. So even starting from the very basic thing and achieving actually what the content has to be covered is everything is too fine. It was the flow was too butterflow. It's a hearty thanks from my side, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I have learned a lot. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your valuable feedback, and your words means a lot for us. Your words inspire us to do more in future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
now, I request Manoj Kuri, sir, for his words to us.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, thank you. So let me welcome you all again. And first of all, I would like to welcome Dr. M.A. Pathan, sir. Sir, welcome. Sir is officer on special duty on Technical Education Department, Government of Rajasthan. So we are delighted to have you at this session of validatory function of this program. Vishal sir, Indu ma'am, and I can see few faces, Jitendra Jain sir. Now, thing is that I was listening about some feedbacks from the participants, and I'm very delighted to know that you found these kind of experts very useful, and really I would like to appreciate Vishal sir that who arranged experts from vast background as well as in for terms of their knowledge as well as geolocation, starting from Dehradun to Delhi, Jaipur, Pune, Hyderabad, and far northeast. Last lecture I was listening about Munish Trivedi. I have heard Munish Trivedi and Gaurav. I have got the opportunity to hear from them, and they are very knowledgeable persons. And so if we are learning something from this kind of programs, then the time spared by us and money spared by the AICT is very useful. Now, AICT has designed this kind of programs only for the faculty members, and before joining this kind of program, I'm also faculty member, and I used to do one thing. I switch off my faculty mode and I switch on student mode. I try to learn as much as I can learn, because no one can be master on all fields. Name is very easy, artificial intelligence and data science. When we go deep inside, it starts from NLP to ANN, RNN, and deep learning, machine learning, and very different applications. Start from processing of satellite data, that is image processing, and applying algorithm to them to have some conclusion or some outcome. And deep into the human brains to detect apply some algorithm to detect some anomaly in human brain which images have been collected. So all things are there. But thing is that when we try to learn, we will get some. That's the thing. And such kind of programs has been designed only for faculty members and researchers, so they can collaborate each other. They can learn from each other. As I was listening some feedbacks from the participants, and I got to know some of them are very senior to me also. since they are guiding 5 students for PhD and they are getting some ideas. So that's the beauty of learning from them. And I also do that thing, means I don't believe anyone could be a master. If you think he's a master in that field, whole growth is gone. If he assumes that I am a student of this field and I'm ready to grasp or I'm ready to know more things, and that from there growth starts. So as a faculty, as a teacher, we should also sometimes switch onto the student mode so we can learn, and the person who is sitting in front of us that can give us their knowledge which he has earned from many years. And no doubt we are in age we are equal, but sometimes it happens he is much more knowledgeable because he has given years for this research or academic activity. So if we are getting something, then the opportunity given by AICTE, that is very useful to us. So I must congratulate again all the participants, Vishal sir, getting this kind of FDP sanctioned by the AICTE, and colleges like us. We are not that much big or like NIT or like that one, IIT-like institutes. So getting us FDPs or any grant from AICTE takes much efforts. So two organizers are in front of me, Dr. Vishal Gaur and Dr. Jitendra Jain, who will be conducting next FDP next month. So that's a credit goes to whole ECB fraternity, faculty members getting sanction from AICTE and contributing something to their fellow faculty members from all over India to have something. If we are getting something, one or two things, something clicks in our idea, we can guide to other students or we can pursue our career in that. And thing is that this is the beginning. If you collaborate with the researcher or fellow faculty members, and I would like to request Vishal sir also to share the contact numbers of experts to the participants. So if they find something interesting or they want to learn something from them, they can directly contact or at least they can mail. Because research is nowadays interdisciplinary and collaborative. So if you are making something in collaborative mode, you will be getting better research, you will be getting better knowledge. So with these words, I would like to congratulate again you all participants. So it takes huge efforts to spare 5 days. 5 days and 15 sessions. And that in we
Thank you, sir. Your
these
voice was
words I want
disconnected.
to I was on mobile and some call was coming. So with these words, I would like to thank to all the participants and especially to the AICTE who has given opportunity to us for organization of this 5 days FDP on artificial intelligence and data science. Thank you very much. Over to you, Indu ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I accept the thing that our student mode should be on every time whenever we get something to learn. So this is required. Actually, the student mode should be on whenever we get something that can be learned from the environment, from our colleagues, from our students even. The mode should be on conditions. So today we have a chief guest of the ceremony, Mr. M.A. Pathan sir. Sir is head of Department of Applied Science in Government Polytechnic College, and presently sir is working as OSD to Technical Education of Rajasthan. Sir is having 31 years of experience in teaching and administration. Sir is expert member of many committees in Government of Rajasthan. I welcome you, sir, and I request you for sharing your words of wisdom with us all.
Thank you, Indu ma'am. Good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank the Chief Patron, Honorable VC Sir, Patron Dr. J.P. Bambu, Principal Engineering College, Bikaner, Dr. Manoj Puri ji, Organizing Secretary of this FDP, Dr. Vishal Gaur, coordinator of workshop, all the organized, because it is सचिवालय है, यहाँ फोन पीछे छोड़ता नहीं है सर. Anyway, so we have received from both the university or their consent letter to make the constituent college of all 11 engineering colleges for the 4 universities. It's a very good achievement for the technical education department, and hope that all faculty member and students will be benefited by becoming the part of a growing technical university. So my sincere thanks, and one thing I also very impressed by the feedback of just I hear 2 or 3 participants.
Shall we wait, Vishal? Or I think the part is over.
Meanwhile, sir, I'll go
sorry.
through the feedback. Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
you can.
let me go through the feedbacks by message. The participant has messaged us that Dr. M.N. Senthil said, well planned, organized and executed FDP. Thank you all for the team.
Excuse me,
Then,
Indu.
Mr. Yes, sir.
Excuse you, Indu.
Yes. Sure, sir.
I have just viewed after all. We have at the 5:30 p. meeting with Secretary Sir. The Honorable CM is taking the cabinet meeting for the decision of the exam conduct. So I would like to again thank. I am just talking about the feedback of some students or participants, of this FDP. I highly impressed that from the different part of country, the participant has take keenly interest in this type of FDP. It is very proud of for the computer science department of ECB and our engineering college Bikaner. Mr. Vishal God always organizing very good workshops. I have also attended in 2016 at engineering college Bikaner. I don't recall the name of FDP, but that is also wonderful FDP organized by Dr. Vishal God and his team at Engineering College Bikaner, and various experts from the different renowned university and engineering college came to the Bikaner and delivered their valuable lectures. So I think as Mr. Manoj also explained about the such FDP, which is very helpful to the staff, because these subjects are very new area for our teachers, which are recruited earlier like me, earlier than 25 year or 20, 30 year or 20 year. At that time we have not known about Python or the AIDS and machine learning. So it is very necessary to organize such type of FDP, so that not only the participant but also the faculty member will get benefited for their students. Once again, I would like to thank to Vishal God, and I hope you must organize such type of emerging area, and I would like to request to kindly join our polytechnic teachers also in this FDP, and because we have starting at several places for this type of branches. Although we have not got the student last year due to COVID, but we hope that in the next year or next session, we will be trying to get the students to admit in AIDS, machine learning and other emerging branches. So I am very thankful, and I am thankful to the organizing committee to give opportunity me to become the part of this such a wonderful FDP. Once again, thank you very much, all of the participants, all of the organizing committee, especially Dr. Manoj Puri and Dr. Vishal God. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for sparing your time, even you are at workplace, and even that you have spared some time for us. Thank you very much, sir. Now, I'd like to request Vishal sir for vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. I, Dr. Vishal God, on behalf of my colleagues and the Engineering College Bikaner, it is a great honor and privilege to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks. First of all, spread my most sincere thanks to Lord God And I want to thank our chief guest, Dr. M.A. Pathan sir, OST Technical Education Department, Jaipur, who gave his precious time for his busy schedule to grace this FDP. A special thanks to our principals for providing the support to make the FTP successful and a source of energy within us. You always will ever remain grateful for us, sir. I would like to thank AICTE for giving us permissions and grant for such a useful program, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning using Python. I want to thank all the speakers for adorning their necessary work and sharing with us graceful opinions. Further, a big thanks to Indu Bhuria ma'am for his effort towards anchoring with their appreciate ideas. I mention my sincere sense of gratitude to them. I would like to grace my heartily thanks to Dr. Manoj Puri sir, Jitendra Jain sir, Ravi Agarwal sir, and all the volunteers because of whom we made this FDP possible. Finally, the wonderful participants who have turned up in such great number, not only from our college but also from all over the India. We thank you so much for your cooperation and patience if network program arise from experts or our side. Thank you everyone once again for making it a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear participants, for making this FDP successful. And we expect that we have delivered whatever you expected from the FDP. And there is some information for you that you have to fill the feedback form that is available at AICT website. Secondly, certificate will be issued to the participant who have, in the case of 80% attendance and 60% of marks in quiz. And the quiz will be at 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. today. So after 7 p.m., we'll not be accepting any responses from your side. So all the best to all the participants. And Pathan sir and Kuri sir, with your due permission, can I conclude this ceremony?
I also want to go in for a meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time, sir. So, sir, can we conclude this?
Yeah. We shall.
Thank you, sir.